To install the IGSE golf cart foot peg, first we need to make sure there are no framework or obstructions in the way. Make sure to place the mount where you want it on the golf cart prior to drilling the holes. Once you're satisfied with the placement, take a Sharpie and mark the holes exactly where you want the golf cart foot peg to be. Once you have the holes marked, take a drill with a 1/4-inch drill bit and proceed to drill both holes without hitting any obstructions in the backside of the golf cart. Clear the debris from the front to make sure it doesn't get pinched between the base and the golf cart. Once you have the hole drilled, insert carriage bolts in both the top and bottom holes of the base of the golf cart peg and insert them into the holes on the golf cart. Once you have the golf cart base installed, put a washer and a nylock nut on the back side of the carriage bolt. Hand tighten the nylock nuts and use a 7/16" wrench to completely tighten the remainder of the nylock nut. Make sure these nuts are completely tight to avoid them vibrating loose over time. Once you have the nylocks completely installed, make sure to hold the golf cart peg up to the mount to make sure it's in the proper position. Once you're ready to insert the pin, hold the golf cart peg in a vertical position to allow the golf cart peg to not bind with the base, and then proceed to insert the pin from whichever direction you would prefer. Once the pin is inserted, proceed to insert the included cotter key into the golf cart foot peg pin. Once it's completely installed, verify that everything works properly by flipping down and back up the golf cart peg. Your installation is complete.